Wildlife rangers serve as the frontline defenders of conservation efforts, tasked with safeguarding the ecological well-being of protected areas. Their roles encompass a wide array of responsibilities, each integral to the overarching mission of preserving biodiversity and deterring environmental degradation. Among their primary duties, rangers are instrumental in conducting anti-poaching patrols, standing as the initial barricade against illegal hunting activities. Poaching encompasses a spectrum of illicit practices, ranging from the acquisition of endangered animal specimens to illegal fishing and logging activities. Rangers strive to thwart such malfeasance, often risking their lives in environments haunted by harsh weather conditions and armed poachers. In addition to combating poaching, wildlife rangers engage in the systematic monitoring of species populations and habitat conditions. This entails tracking ecological data relevant to both flora and fauna, aiding in the discernment of population trends and the health of ecosystems. Such vigilant surveillance is indispensable, offering the empirical underpinning required to shape impactful conservation strategies. Rangers are also tasked with the enforcement of wildlife laws. These laws are fundamental to the protection of biodiversity, setting limits and guidelines intended to minimize human impact on natural reserves. Rangers ensure that these legal frameworks are upheld. Moreover, wildlife rangers play a pivotal role in community engagement, fostering alliances with local communities to support conservation initiatives. They champion sustainable practices, equipping communities with the knowledge and frameworks needed to coexist harmoniously with their natural surroundings. Conservation efforts necessitate the protection and restoration of habitats, a responsibility rangers undertake with diligence. The health and availability of such habitats are vital for the survival of myriad species, with rangers aiding in restorative efforts to mend ecological damage. Furthermore, research and data collection are an inherent aspect of a ranger's vocation. By amassing data on wildlife populations, behavior, and habitat use, rangers contribute to the body of knowledge that drives conservation measures. The challenges confronting wildlife rangers are formidable. The inherently dangerous nature of their work presents threats from armed poachers, perilous wildlife, and unforgiving environmental conditions. Additionally, the scarcity of training, equipment, and funding exacerbates the complexity of their tasks. A lack of recognition for the indispensable work of rangers compounds these challenges. Despite their pivotal role in conservation, many rangers are undervalued and unappreciated, a stark reality that leads to a demoralizing work environment. Tragically, numerous rangers lose their lives in the line of duty, underscoring the inherent risk of their noble profession. Organizations such as the International Ranger Federation and the Thin Green Line Foundation actively advocate for the rights and safety of rangers. These organizations offer support through training, equipment, and resources. African Parks and SFW Conservation similarly champion the cause, providing education and essential medical training.